Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how the Balinese make a cremation ceremony on Kuta Beach. If you want to know how the ceremony is, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will show you cremation ceremony on Kuta Beach. Okay, make sure you watch until the end of this video. Actually, cremation ceremony today is like a big cremation because there is 3 bodies from 3 family. They make cremation in same time on Kuta Beach. So there is 3 bodies on cremation. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.